I welcome you, my friends, to this simple guided meditation. Do you sometimes feel like life has gotten complicated? Maybe your environment feels a little cluttered, making it hard to enjoy your home or your workplace. Do you wish for things to be simpler? It is possible, and sometimes it simply starts with a meditation, taking time to just be in the moment. I invite you to find a place to sit or lie down comfortably. You can place your hands in your lap, palms up or down, whichever is more comfortable for you. Or you can rest your hands by your side. Give yourself a moment to settle in, find your center, keeping your back straight but not rigid. And let's help relax our shoulders by taking a slow breath in through our nose and squeezing our shoulders up to our ears. And as you exhale out through your mouth, allow your shoulders to drop back down. And let's take another slow, deep breath in through the nose. And as you breathe out this time, allow your face and your jaw to relax. And one more slow, deep breath in. And as you breathe out, imagine releasing any tension you have from your body. And as you settle into your meditation, allow your breath to return to its natural rhythm. You may close your eyes if you haven't already done so. And just take some time to bring awareness to your body and notice how each part of your body is feeling. Just take calm breaths, focusing on just breathing in and out. And with each breath, give another part of your body permission to relax. Allow yourself to enjoy this moment, feeling the tension just melt away from your neck and your shoulders, your arms and legs. Breathing out any tension from your stomach and back as you begin to find a place of peace and comfort. And as you settle in deeper, take a few moments to think about this question. Is there anything about your schedule or your environment that is causing you to worry or to feel stress or uncomfortable? When you think about your day or your environment, is there anything that brings you joy or makes you happy? What are the 3 most important things that need to be done today? There might be a big list, but today you are only going to focus on the 3 that are the most important ones and decide which must be done first. Sometimes we can simplify our life simply by learning to say no. You might be the kind of person who takes on a lot and puts a lot of pressure on yourself, and learning to say no can be invaluable. You have the right to say no. You have the right to say no if you don't want to do something or if you don't have time. You have the right to say no if you cannot give something your full attention and your best effort. Learning to say no to others also means that you are saying yes to yourself. Let's take some time to focus on our mantras for today. I choose to be kind to myself. I deserve to feel calm. I deserve to be happy. I choose to be kind to myself. I deserve to feel calm. I deserve to be happy. I choose to be kind to myself. I deserve to feel calm. I deserve to be happy. And now I will leave you to settle into your meditation a little further for a few minutes. When you are ready, slowly bring yourself back to awareness. Take a deep breath in. Gently wiggle your fingers and toes. Slowly open your eyes. And take a moment to notice how you are feeling. I hope this meditation has helped you. Feel free to return to this whenever you need. May peace and love go with you throughout your day, my friends. And I thank you so much for joining me.